Here I've got Orange Fova, and let me show you how to reset browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. So let me open Chrome in my case. Now click on more icon, which is 3 dots, one in upper corner. So let me do it here, and then go to history. Now you can either delete each page by tapping on this cross icon, or you can delete all browsing data simply by tapping on this icon, clear browsing data. Now just select the options that you would like to use, so clear browsing history, decache, cookies, site data, saved passwords, and autofill data. So I would like to erase all of it. And of course you can pick yours. So it's just up to your preferences and needs. So click on clear once you decided, and that's it. This is how you can clear browsing data. It can be performed pretty quickly, so you can do it whenever you need to. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.